And the race is on. Arithmetic at the center by the rails tailor-made. Alongside getting better afternoon delight. Then comes Lakay. Street bump rushing up in between runners Kyrell and train number 1 Henry the 8th, while Mr. Integrity is the retrailer. Arithmetic getting better. Street bump Lakay alongside. Afternoon delight rushing up by the rails Henry the 8th. Last 800, Arithmetic by Sam Tulangs, followed by Lakay. Getting better from the outside, rushing up down on the inside is Henry the 8th. Rounding the far turn, Arithmetic by Sam Tulangs. And here comes Henry the 8th down on the inside, getting better. Street bump, Lakay, Kyrell, tailor-made, and afternoon delight as they race the final corner. Arithmetic by a length and a half. Henry the Ace on the outside, now moving up by the rail. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Arithmetic by a length and a half. Henry the Ace down on the inside and moving up is getting better. But still Arithmetic, Henry the Ace down on the inside moves up. And finally Henry the Ace. Arithmetic, Kyrell getting better. Street bump, Lakay, tailor-made, Mr. Integrity, afternoon delight.